Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy camera would not charge. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so you just follow this video. First of all guys, perform a hard reset. If completely dead battery fails to trigger to charging the light, so it's internally protection the circuit may need a reset. You unplug the camera from the charger or the solar panel, locate the small reboot hole next to the power button, usually hidden under the rubber to cover tab, and you use the paper clip or provided ejector pin to gently press and hold the button for 10 seconds. Then plug the charger back in and wait to see if the yellow lights appear. Then verify your charging setup. So guys, first of all check the power source. Avoid charging through the computer USB port or they do not output enough power. So you use a dedicated adapter. After that, try the top port. Ensure you plug the cable into the charging port located on the top of the camera module rather than the black connections point. And you test a different type C cable to rule out a faulty cord. After that, clean the contacts. If you are attempting to charger using the solar panel, crime and corrosion on the connection can prevent the power transfer. So unplug the camera modules from the mount or the solar panel. Carefully check the pin and the USB contacts for the dirt, debris or the rust. Gently clean the metal contacts points with a dry micro cloths before connecting. Then wait for trickling charging. So guys, if the battery is completely drained to 0%, the internal battery management system might need to wake up. Then guys, connect to the camera wall charger and wait for 30 to 60 minutes uninterrupted. Even if the yellow light does not illuminate immediately, the camera may be taking the charge. If it recovers, the light should turn on and proceed to a solid green once fully charged. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.